Hi friends, today we are going to learn air layering on chiku plant. So best season for any air layering is rainy season because moisture is present in atmosphere, and that's why whenever you means tie or bind that cut part of that branch by moist soil or moist coco peat, or you can moist sphagnum moss. How to mix soil and cow dung? You can take 50% soil and 50% cow dung, pour water and moist it, and such a way you have to moist with water all this material also, and then you can wrap, take all this material in plastic bottle you can take, or you can take simple polythene for binding this material. Or one thing I means you can say mentioned that even you can use that drinking coconut which is green in color and easily available on the shops where means we drink coconut water. By chopping it by all sides, after whenever means you will go to that shopkeeper at coconut shoppy, you can say that means to chop by all and decrease the size of that coconut, and prepare two holes at the two ends, and you can say after that you have to cut it or make two parts of that, you can say by that shopkeeper we already prepare that two parts, and then by filling these two parts with soil or coco peat, or you can say moss, already I mentioned it, sphagnum moss, which has the capacity to hold water for long time. So such a way you have to means you can say cut that bark of any size means thumb size branch you can select, or hand size branch you can select. The age of that branch should be from 1 to 5 years, and you have to take out that cambium part and the distance between two rings, because we cut two rings, understand, and rings, between two rings there should be, you can say, distance of, you can say, 1 to 2 inch. After taking out, you can say, that bark, you have to finish that cambium by knife, and then you can use rooting hormone also. In market, rooting hormones are, types of rooting hormones are available. Prepare the water of rooting hormones and pour it in soil, or you can say in coco peat, and also you can pour on that part where means we have taken that, you can say, bark. And you can use natural hormones are just like aloe vera juice you have to take, you can say. And now we are means doing air layering with the help of, you can say, pocket. In pocket we fill this, you can say, coco peat or soil, what may be it material, make a, you can say, cut, and open that mouth of that cut part, and put it on that cut part, and then wind it, by which that cut part can be covered that soil or coco peat such a way that stick cut part should be inside the soil or coco peat or sphagnum moss. Such a way you have to give pressure by which the stick should be inserted inside, and then tie it with the plastic wire, or you can say jute wire also, you can say, or any thick thread. Such a way first you have to tie at the one end by that plastic. And I would like to tell you again one thing, that root formation period of each plant, understand, is different. In citrus plant, after 30 days you will get the roots, but in other plants, in all types of plant we can do air layerings. So in other plant it takes, you can say, 50 to 70 days. So in chiku, mango, or you can say amla, etc, guava, it takes 50 to 60 days. And whenever the root will form, definitely you will see, if you are using transparent plastic, then you can see the roots in outer part of, and then cut that part, and you can say take out plastic. And already 2 videos of root formation of mango air layerings already I posted last year. You can see the links in description box also. If you like my video, then subscribe it and like it. So